Good evening, Los Santos. Sok Orion with Weasel News, here with a critical emergency alert involving a corporation known as Perseus Biocorp. Authorities have confirmed a mass-scale biological agent, now referred as the Mirox Virus, has been released within city limits. At this hour, investigators have confirmed that this viral release was indeed a failed experiment linked to the Perseus company. Residents are being urged to shelter indoors immediately, avoid public areas, avoid contact with large groups, and stay tuned for official instructions. We're now able to show you some unreleased footage from that project.
Commitment, honesty, integrity. These are our core values that create the foundation for Perseus Corporation. It is this foundation that will continue to build a brighter future for all of us.